Hello, hi everyone. I'm CA Shahina. Welcome to my channel. As you all are aware that there has been massive increase in the investment of retail investors in the stock market. And I'm guessing you must be one of them and there must be a lot of questions coming into your mind. So I'm here to help you out with your questions. So today I will be discussing one of the most important topic for discussion for the shareholders, which is nothing but the dividend. So I will be covering what is dividend, what are the types of dividend, and also the most importantly is the tax implication on dividend income. Yes, so now let's get started. So first of all, what is dividend? Dividend is the amount of profits distributed by the company to its shareholder. Yes, it's so simple. However, as per Section 222 of Income Tax Act, there are cases that will be treated as deemed dividend. So let's touch base with few cases. Starting with the first one, if a private limited company is giving loans and advances to its shareholder, that will be treated as deemed dividend. Yes. So before you take such kind of decisions, do remember that there will be tax implication on it. Secondly, if a private limited company or any company for matter, if it is distributing debentures to its shareholder, then also it will be treated as deemed dividend. If a company is issuing bonus shares to its different shareholders, then also it will be treated as deemed dividend. So now going to the next section, which will be types of dividend. There are two types of dividend. First is the interim dividend and the second one is the final dividend. Interim dividend is the amount of profits distributed by the company to its shareholder before the end of fiscal year. So there can be multiple times company can distribute dividend to its shareholder. Just like if you have seen, Vedanta has recently declared interim dividend to its shareholder at the rate of 20 rupees per share. So secondly, we are talking about the final dividend. Final dividend is the word itself says it is full and final dividend declared by the board of directors after the company approves its financial statement. Yes, it is full and final dividend for that particular fiscal year. So the next section is the classification of dividend income. Under which head of income dividend income will be classified? For example, if a person is earning dividend income from its trading activity, that means he or she is engaged in the business of buying or selling of shares, then such business income will be treated as business income. However, if a person is earning dividend income on its investment, then such income will be treated as income from other sources. Now you must be wondering why there is a need to distinguish between whether it is a business income or it is an income from other sources. Yes, there is a need to it. Let's see how. If a dividend income is treated as business income, then all such expenses related to dividend income will be allowed as deduction in the Income Tax Act. However, if the income is classified as income from other sources, then only the interest expense will be allowed as deduction. And that too, the maximum deduction that shall be allowed will be only 20% of total dividend amount. For example, if a person is earning dividend of rupees 10,000, the maximum deduction interest expenditure he can claim will be only 2,000 rupees. Yes. Next section will be the tax implication on dividend. Earlier, dividend was exempt in the hands of shareholder. Company used to pay dividend distribution tax. Then from 1st April 2020, dividend is taxable in the hands of shareholders. So now, dividend will be part of your total income and it will be taxable according to your tax slab. Yes, for example, if a person whose total income is more than 10 lakh and he is under the old regime, then he will fall under the bracket of 30%. He needs to pay tax of 30%. Then let's move to the next part, which is regarding the TDS. So as per Section 194 of Income Tax Act, company is liable to deduct TDS at the rate of 10% at the time of crediting the amount to its shareholder. If the total amount of dividend exceeds rupees 5,000 for a financial year. I have tried to cover majority of the points related to dividend. In my next video, I will be covering the top most highest paying dividend companies. So this will be very interesting video to watch. In case if you like my channel, please do like and subscribe it. Thank you.